So let's say that the 25K PDT rule disappears tomorrow. Like actually disappears. You get full access to the market. You can trade as much as you want. Most traders are still going to lose money, even if those things are true. And if you're honest, you already know that that group of people, that group of day traders that's going to lose money, already includes you. You know that. Because at this point, the rule is not the issue. The fact that it's 25K to 2K doesn't actually matter. Because even when those restrictions are removed or reduced in how restrictive they are, you still think, oh, if I had more trades, if I had more freedom, if I had more capital, then I'd be consistent. And that's not true. Because what actually is going to happen is your entries are going to stay the same. The rule changes, but you still don't have a clear exit plan. The rule changes, but you still overtrade. And now you can actually overtrade more. Now you can actually risk more. So your losses are going to be a lot bigger. And even though you already know what to do, you cannot do it consistently. And then you just repeat the same cycle again. So you have this gap between what you know and what you actually execute on a day-to-day basis. And this is where all your losses really come from. It's not your entries and it's not how much money you have involved, because it's literally how you manage the trade and how you behave once money is inside of your account and once you have access to money. And this is why you can have a really, really good day and still blow your account the same week. You can take out Monday through Thursday trades in one day on Friday in one trade. And this is why results may never be consistent, because in video one, when we think about what happens when these rules are restricted, yeah, these rules are restricted, yeah, but you're not actually fixing the problem. You're just giving the behavior more room to put you in a bad situation, because more access does not create discipline. I always say you cannot buy discipline. You can't buy anything with money that's going to make you profitable. All money's going to do is expose your lack of discipline. And the part where most day traders never fix this actual issue is that you think that you need a better strategy still. Like you think that you could be consistent with the rules that you have, and that's not true, because you can have a really good day and still lose overall in your trades. And this is why. So I put together a free private training that breaks down exactly how to do execution and behavior step by step. If you're serious about changing this whole thing, the link is pinned in the description as the first link, but it's also in the comment section, because the rule is not the problem. The PDT rule is not the problem. Removing the 25K, changing it to 2K is not going to solve your execution, because if your execution was resolved, then your results would always be stable. But if you haven't actually watched the video of me breaking down the rule itself, make sure to watch that video and come back to this one. I posted it just yesterday, going through the whole PDT rule, what it means, what has actually been approved, and why the rule is not even live yet. So make sure to watch that video and then come back to this one.